Well, our first guest this week joins us on the phone from Vancouver, BC, Mr. Brad Moynes. Brad is the CEO of a company called Digatrade Financial Corporation. Their stock symbol is DIGAF. Brad, welcome to the program.
Great. Thank you for having me, Don.
Well, we're very pleased to be initiating coverage of the company, be following you over the next several weeks very closely. Why don't you tell us again what the company does?
Right. Digatrade Financial is a publicly traded cryptocurrency Bitcoin exchange. And what that does is it allows our customers and users to go onto the platform and register via a simple email registration process, fund their digital wallets, and ultimately have access to various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and other digital assets.
Well, what's really fascinating about this whole Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry, and then this is a probably well overused statistic that you're probably tired of hearing of, but I'm going to say it anyway. But if someone had bought $100 worth of Bitcoin in 2010, isn't it worth like $75 or $80 million today?
Well, the growth of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin as a store of value has really been something spectacular. It would be on a growth curve whereby it could be into new high digits in the $10,000 range. So, Bitcoin definitely has had a very strong growth to it here over the last year, and mostly is contributed to mainstream adoption and institutional money now flowing into the sector.
Well, tell us, give us a little bit of Bitcoin 101. Explain to us in layman's terms what Bitcoin's all about, if you would, please.
Right. Well, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency or digital asset. It is the native token or fuel that powers the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that is run globally on the internet. And what that does is it basically allows end users to do transactions amongst themselves by eliminating all intermediaries and counterparty risk. The transactions, when they're completed, are essentially very low cost and almost instantly processed. So the Bitcoin token is what completes each transaction on the blockchain network.
It's really fascinating. As I mentioned, we've initiated coverage of the company. We'll be following you very closely over the next several weeks. We have a long interview coming with you from the studio next week. Looking forward to that. Again, fascinating story. Brad, thanks so much for joining us.
My pleasure, Don.
Take care.